I recently purchased the Professional Tactical Laser Boresight kit, and it has proven to be a valuable tool for zeroing in my collection. This kit comes with 30 adapters and is perfect for sighting in a wide range of calibers, from .17 cal to 12 gauge. This kit includes a red or a green laser option. I chose the red laser for this review. The laser is bright and highly visible, even in daylight. The kit also comes with 30 adapters, ensuring compatibility with most firearms. Installing the bore sight is easy. Just select the appropriate adapter for your caliber, attach it to the laser, and insert it into the barrel. The adapters fit securely, preventing any wobbling. Using this Boresighter has significantly reduced the time and ammo needed to sight in my firearms. The laser provides a clear reference point, making adjustments quick and precise. So if you're looking for a versatile and accurate Boresight kit, I highly recommend the Professional Tactical Laser Boresighter kit. It's a great investment for any firearm owner.